Are you looking for a powerful scalping strategy for trading in the gold market or xauusd market? If yes, then you must try the scalping strategy we will discuss today. The gold scalping or xauusd scalping strategy we will discuss today is not only highly accurate, but also versatile, working well across various time frames, from 1 minute to 5 minutes and even 15 minutes. Moreover, this strategy isn't limited to just the gold or xauusd market. It can also be applied to other assets such as forex, crypto, and other commodity. And if you find value in this video, don't forget to support the channel by liking and subscribing. Let's dive right in. First, head over to TradingView and set up your chart. Choose the gold pair, which is xauusd, and set your time frame to 1 minute. This is crucial, as we want to capture those quick, profitable moves in the market. Once you've set that up, go to the Indicator Search tab. In the search bar, type RSI MFI and select the RSI MFI indicator by Cryptoa. This indicator is a combination of the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the Money Flow Index, MFI, which are both essential in identifying overbought and oversold conditions in the market. Now, let's fine-tune the RSI MFI indicator for our strategy. In the Input tab, change the length to 10. This shorter length helps us capture quicker changes in the market. Moving on to the Style tab, uncheck the boxes for MFI Plot and MFI Background. We want our chart to be as clean and focused as possible. Next, customize the RSI plot color to your preference. I personally prefer yellow because it stands out, making it easier to spot signals. To highlight overbought and oversold signals more clearly, change the RSI overbought color to navy and the RSI oversold color to yellow. This visual distinction helps in quickly identifying potential trade opportunities. Once you've made these adjustments, click OK to confirm the changes. This RSI MFI indicator is powerful for determining whether the market is in an overbought or oversold condition. Here's how to interpret it. A green bar indicates that the MFI has entered the oversold area, signaling a potential buying opportunity. A red bar shows that the MFI is in the overbought area, suggesting a selling opportunity. If the RSI signal line dips below level 20 and a yellow cloud appears, the RSI is in the oversold zone, confirming a potential buy. Conversely, if the RSI signal line rises above level 80 and a navy cloud appears, the RSI is in the overbought zone, confirming a potential sell. Now, let's enhance this strategy by adding a second indicator, the extreme trend, which will act as our trend filter and guide for placing orders. Go back to the Indicator Search tab, type Extreme Trend, and select Extreme Trend by Cockrow Stocks. For the setup, in the Style tab, change the EMA 200 color to white. The EMA 200 is crucial, as it will help us determine the overall trend direction. Once done, click OK to save the changes. There are 3 key elements to focus on with this extreme trend indicator. A blue triangle indicates a buy signal, while a yellow triangle indicates a sell signal. The white line represents the EMA 200. A valid buy signal occurs when a blue triangle appears, and the candlestick closes above the EMA 200. Similarly, a valid sell signal occurs when a yellow triangle appears and the candlestick closes below the EMA 200. Ignore any signals that do not meet these criteria to avoid false signals. Buy order setup. Ensure both the RSI and MFI indicators have entered the oversold area simultaneously. Wait for a blue triangle to appear on the extreme trend indicator, confirming a buy signal. The candlestick must close above the EMA 200. Confirm that the formed candlestick is bullish. If all these conditions are met, place a buy order immediately after the bullish candlestick closes. Place a stop loss at the latest swing low to manage your risk. Set a take-profit target using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. This means if you're risking $100, your target should be $150. Sell order setup. Ensure both the RSI and MFI indicators have entered the overbought area simultaneously. Wait for a yellow triangle to appear on the extreme trend indicator, confirming a sell signal. The candlestick must close below the EMA 200. Confirm that the formed candlestick is bearish. If all these conditions are met, place a sell order immediately after the bearish candlestick closes. Place a stop loss at the latest swing high to protect your trade. Set a take-profit target using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. As with any trading strategy, it's crucial to maintain solid money management and trading psychology. No strategy, no matter how effective, guarantees a 100% win rate. It's all about managing risk, staying disciplined, and not letting emotions dictate your trading decisions. That wraps up today's discussion. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.